In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make and customize an invoice in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to create an invoice, tailor its look and content, and get it ready to send with confidence. First, head to the top left of your QuickBooks Online dashboard and click New. From the menu that appears, select Invoice. This opens a fresh invoice form where you can start inputting the details. Begin by choosing the customer, then make sure the invoice date and due date reflect your terms. Add your products or services with clear descriptions, quantities, rates, and any applicable taxes. If you use item codes, verify they pull in the correct price and tax settings. Consider adding a memo or message to the customer to clarify what the invoice covers, or to outline expectations about delivery or support. Accuracy here saves back and forth later, so double-check totals, tax amounts, and that everything is billed in the correct currency. When you're ready to customize how your invoice looks and what information it shows, go to the top right and click the Manage button. This is where the real tailoring happens. You'll see options to select which fields appear, such as terms, PO number, shipping details, or custom fields you rely on. Show only what your customer needs to see, while keeping essential business information in place. Next, adjust your payment options. Choose the methods you want to offer so your customer can pay in the way that works best for both of you. Clear payment options can help you get paid faster, so make sure the choices and instructions make sense for your workflow. You can also update the design of the invoice. Pick a layout that suits your brand, add your logo, and fine-tune colors and fonts so everything looks professional and consistent. Consider readability. Use a layout that makes line items, subtotals, and totals easy to scan. If you send invoices regularly on a schedule, you can enable scheduling or set this invoice as a recurring invoice. This is especially helpful for subscriptions, retainers, or ongoing services because it keeps your billing predictable and reduces manual work. Once you've made your changes and reviewed your selections, click Review and Send. Take a final look at all the details, confirm the total and due date, and make sure the message to your customer is clear and friendly. When everything looks right, you're good to go. That's the process for making and customizing an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Simple, flexible, and professional.